Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I clean my records. Normally I don't clean them, but maybe once a year. I'll play them and then I stack them to the side and then I wash them. So here we have James Taylor. Yep, and I have Jimi Hendrix. But anyway, first I go over here and I get soap on my sponge. And this one's a little dirty because I haven't played it in a while. This is James Taylor, One Man Dog. So I just rub it slightly, and I always start with the rough end and go with the grain. Don't get too much on the label because you don't want to make it worse. And then I just go round and round, and then I flip it over. And I use Dawn soap because Dawn cuts through the grease the best. Then I'll do a rinse. Try not to get it on the label. And you'll see some, I may have to use the Goo Gone. I've been using Goo Gone a lot. You want to be careful not to scratch them because they're kind of delicate. And this is my favorite James Taylor CD or record. Then I just stack them over here with my other ones. Here's Dan Fogelberg. I listen to him a lot. Just be real careful. And then use the rough end first. Make sure you rinse all the soap off. And that looks pretty shiny. And I use warm water. It's important to use warm water because you don't want them to, this has got some stuff on it, maybe a cookie, a little dirt. There's some dirt there that's been messing up my needle. Got extra needles that I use, a Shure SME tone arm. That usually goes right over the dirt. But then, you don't want to get it on the label too much because that paper label. But as you can see, this really works well, really works good. I've used the same needle for about 10 years now and it seems to work. So anyway, if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe because I have more cleaning tips that will help make your equipment last. So I think that's it. Thank you.